everyone, I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we will be reviewing the Kwadron PMU Optima Cartridges. As leaders in the tattoo industry, Kwadron have used their wealth of knowledge and experience to create revolutionary needle cartridges that are dedicated solely to permanent makeup. Kwadron have an established reputation of creating high-quality, long taper needle cartridges with razor-sharp needles that are grouped together with the highest possible precision. Designed to meet the demands of cosmetic tattoo treatments, the PMU Optima cartridges have a long taper of 7mm and ultra-thin, flexible needles. Each cartridge contains the unique needle stabilizing system to ensure optimal performance of your needles. The tips are made from a medical-grade plastic to minimize friction between the needle tip and the outer casing, ensuring that your needles stay ultra-sharp throughout the procedure. The PMU Optima cartridges are available in multiple configurations, including brown shader, round liner, slope, magnum, and flat, with a range of needle sizes to suit any PMU treatment, style, or preference. Each needle cartridge comes in individual sterile blister packaging and are EO gas sterilized, and all configurations are available in boxes of 20. With a universal connection, the Kwadron PMU Optima cartridges are compatible with almost any rotary PMU machine, such as the GloveCon Inox Lady V2, which we have here, also from Kwadron. Simply push and twist to connect your needle cartridge to the machine and run as shown. These cartridges are a massive hit with PMU artists everywhere, from beginners to those with years of experience. If you want to try the Kwadron PMU Optima cartridges, there's a link in the description box below. Or if you use them already, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.